VEX is a building block, unlimited direction the kids can take to make a robot to accomplish a task, and it's partly my job to build a system of objects that they can use, whether it's a vision sensor or LiDAR. Every time we look at everyone's processors, NXP is still really hard to beat. They just have a great combination of technology that they've built around this core that can't easily be explained until you dig into the part. VEX Robotics is always developing the next gen. As I said, I'm working 2 to 4 years out, so we're thinking about the next products that are coming out. So obviously we need them working with AI, we need them working with machine vision, we need them working with an understanding why and how math solves problems for them. So we're looking at LPC's new 54 series for a lot of future products, and it's really standing out as our engineers are just drooling to get their hands on this part. They're really excited, and I rarely see engineers so excited about, oh yeah, we want that part.
10 seconds left to go. Not much movement happening from all 4 teams here. Still some stacking left to go. Here on the front line.
We've been fortunate enough at NXP to be able to support VEX. With this event, you can really see the potential of what our microcontrollers can do. They're making a robot that can either operate with a remote control or autonomously. So it's pretty humbling to see what the future generation is able to do at such a young age.
The LPC processors have been great. All of our external devices that plug into the new system are ran by an A24 device. And so starting with the development boards that we got in, we had most of our devices up and running before our hardware team even had even prototype boards out. And we had most of the logic taken care of because it was very simple to take the little LPC dev board and plug it in and start coding. And then most of our algorithms and everything ported over to it. Super simple.
Competition is great. I love watching the matches. I love seeing the kids compete. Honestly, I go walk around the pits and find different teams randomly and just talk to them about their experiences. Indianapolis, excellent. Can you tell me something about your robot real quick?
We have a potentiometer right here that we used originally for different presets, down, middle, and up.
Oh, okay.
But we realized we were quicker to just do manual control.
Right.
Yeah.
Except for autonomous, of course. It's all about bringing technology to kids and making it approachable, but not too low a floor, not too high a ceiling. So now a kid can actually use LiDAR in a reasonable and safe way to build a robot. That's really where VEX is going.
I am usually the engineer in the brains, designing things and building things, making prototypes, and part-time programming. I'm learning a lot about engineering and stuff like that, so I like this.
I think I learned a lot of valuable life skills for job fields like communicating, learning how to deal with pressure. Just you're preparing yourself for a job in the real world by having the job of being on the VEX team.
We know these kids are going to go long ways and make great new things, and in fact start some new companies. So really, VEX is much more than just a product company. It's a philosophy about making the world a better place and making these kids everything they could possibly be.